Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Britt and today I have a how to find trends at the op shop, or just like finding trends at the op shop, what trends I've found. I did find heaps of them and I have them right here, so I'm super excited to share this with you guys. I definitely think everyone should give op shopping a go at least once. It's super cheap and there's so much good stuff there if you just look, so definitely, I know it might be out of some people's comfort zones, but definitely go give it a try. I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And if you are, I'm really sorry, maybe you should try a different op shop, I don't know. Alrighty guys, so let's just jump straight on into the video, and I'm going to start with accessories because the accessories part of the op shop is my favorite. Scarves, hats, belts, jewelry, like, yes, please give me everything. And yeah, this is a really easy way to find trends is in this section because there's so much and so much is coming back into fashion, so it's super easy to find accessories that are on trend at the op shop like mine. So my first accessory I found was this scarf, and it's in this gorgeous red and blue color. Now this one is actually made in Italy and I got this one for $2.95. Actually, everything I got on this day, I got all this stuff on one day, everything I got was half price. So this was only $1.50 and I've been seeing girls wearing these heaps of different ways. I did a video styling scarves like this, so you can go check that out if you want to. But also I thought this one was really cool because it's that square and I really wanted to try wearing it as a top. I've been seeing heaps of girls do it and yeah, I'm really digging that trend. And for $1.50, when I know for a fact these are on like Princess Polly and Misguided and stuff for like $20, $1.50 is pretty good. Alrighty, sticking with accessories, I got this black skinny belt and it's just got all these kind of like silver studs on it and like grommets at the end. Now these types of belts are coming back into fashion so fast. I've been seeing them everywhere, especially since it's like Coachella season or festival season. These belts have just literally popped up everywhere. Now this one I got, it was originally $6, but with the half price I got it for $3. And I just thought this was so cute, even just like with an all black outfit. Just to add this would just like give the perfect touch of like, yeah girl, you know, that sass that your outfit might need. Okay, lastly for accessories and another belt is this one, and it's just this black belt with a, or red belt with a black stripe, or black belt with a red stripe. Anyways, it's a black and white, I mean, wow! It's a black and red striped belt and it's kind of got that like vinyl PVC, I don't know what the actual material is called, I can't remember. But it's got that feeling to it, you know, that like, oh, I can't even describe it. But yeah, I thought this was super cute. This one was $1, so yes, again, super inexpensive, and this one would just be so cool. Again, even with an all black outfit and a red bag or something like that. I've been seeing these types of belts, like these kind of sports, like 80s and 90s kind of belts everywhere. So yeah, I thought this was a super cool find. Alrighty, next up is something a bit more basic, and it's totally fine to find basics at the op shop. I love finding basics at the op shop because if they're in good quality, you know they're good quality because they've already lasted so long. But this one, I was looking for everywhere. I really wanted to wear these out, so I was looking on. I found someone like Misguided and a Pretty Little Thing, but they were like anywhere from $30 to $80, and there was like none on Princess Polly, which is like my go-to, you guys know. So yeah, when I found these I was super excited, and there is just these high-waisted long black wide leg trousers, and I'm living for these so much. I really wanted to wear them out on a night out, like I was just saying, with like a really cute bodysuit or a really cute crop top. So when I found these at the op shop, I was like, are you serious? And I'm pretty sure, I removed the tag because I've already worn them, but I'm pretty sure they were like $3. So yes, everything, I'm going to keep saying super inexpensive, but everything is so inexpensive, and like I just love op shopping so much and I can't deal. But yeah, these pants are just amazing. Alrighty, my next find is definitely for those who love their brand names, which I do, but I'm not really like a fussy person at the op shop. But if you love your brand names, definitely check out the op shop. This one is French Connection. I mean, I know that's like not like a massive brand, but I know that this jacket would be worth like $80 to $100. I got it for 10. Well, it was originally 20, but I got obviously half price, so I got it for 10. And it is just this army green bomber jacket, and I know bomber jackets had their moment last like autumn winter, but I definitely think we'll be seeing them again. I thought this would be super cute for like a model off-duty look. I've seen Gigi Hadid wear them, I've seen Kendall Jenner wear them, so when I saw it at the op shop and it was half price, I was like, bless the thrift shop lords. So yeah, maybe you might expect a model off-duty lookbook, I don't know, who knows. Alrighty, next up, sticking with jackets, and this is actually one of my most favourite things I've ever found at the op shop, and it is just this gorgeous denim jacket with this shearling. I think they call it like a trucker jacket? Anyways, it's this denim jacket with this shearling lapel or collar, and it's got the shearling all over the pockets and then down the back, which I haven't seen anywhere. I've been seeing these jackets literally everywhere, especially this season. I know last winter they were like just kind of like starting to come through, and I found another one of these last season, which I was like, ah yes, like so happy about. But when I saw this one, I was like, yes, this is going to be perfect, and it's just like different to all the other ones I've seen, so I thought that was even better. Again, it was originally $20, but it was down to 10 with the half off. So yeah, I thought this was an amazing find, and for $10 or even for $20, I think this is a steal because I couldn't find one under $80. Okay, next up I found this graphic tee, and you guys, if you are like an OG subscriber to my channel or just like someone who's even new, you'll probably know I love graphic tees so much. So when I find them at the op shop, I always buy them, like always. And this one is just so cool. It's like a Guess USA Guess jeans top. Now this is cool for one of two reasons. One, it's a cool graphic tee and it's got that red kind of colorway, which is really trending at the moment. And another thing that is really trending is vintage, like Guess and Tommy Hilfiger, and like all that Kappa stuff is coming back, and Champion, and I just think this is so aesthetically pleasing and it really hits that trend of like that vintage kind of trend that's coming back. It just really gives off a real 90s vibe, and I can like, do you guys remember that show Keeping Up with a Simple Life, I think it was called, with like with Paris Hilton and Nicole Richie? Like, I just feel like they would wear this in that show. But yeah, I just thought this was super cute. And how much was this one? Whoa, this one was $15 originally. Like I said, half price, $7. $7 for a t-shirt at the op shop is a lot of money, but I guess it's Guess. So yeah, I wasn't really worried about paying that much. Also, I know these kind of shirts are upwards of $40 on like ASOS and stuff, so I wasn't mad about it really. Alrighty, last but not least for the clothing items, and it is this shirt I am wearing. Now this is just a off the shoulder knit crop top, and I have been looking for, oh, I'm gonna sneeze. I think I'm good. That's the only thing bad about the op shop, is that I personally have really bad allergies. So when I go through the clothes, they give me hay fever because there's so much dust. Oh my god, I'm gonna sneeze again. Okay, I think I'm good. So like I was saying, this one's a knit off the shoulder crop. I've been looking for one for ages. I've seen them in heaps of different patterns and stuff. I haven't seen a plain black one. So when I found this, I was super happy. This trend, this knit off the shoulder top crop trend is definitely coming out. I've seen it all over Princess Polly. You guys, I feel like I keep repeating myself, but I literally look on Princess Polly like every single night, so yeah, when I see something from the op shop and I know I've seen it on Princess Polly, I'm like, oh my god, what a steal. Alrighty, and last thing of this video are these Fila trainers. These are real leather white Fila trainers. These were $20, did get them half price, so it was $10. And they are in the most, well, they're not like in the most perfect condition, but they are pretty good for white trainers at the op shop. I think you guys know, I wear these white platform trainers from Kmart all the time. They cost me $8. They're super dirty, but Seed do the same kind of trainers for like $80. And I was literally putting in my order to get the white, just like white trainers from Seed one night, the night before I went and did this thrift shop. And like my card didn't go through properly, so I was like, oh whatever, I'll just like buy it next time I'm in store. Went op shopping the next day, bam. I know these aren't platforms, but they still do the trick, and I think these are super nice, especially that they're real leather. They just make an outfit look so classy, and it's definitely on that trend of that like athletic wear, and the brands that are all coming back, like I said, like Fila and Kappa and Champion, they're all making their comeback. Well, not really comeback because they never like really left the scene, but they're getting massively hyped up at the moment. Alrighty guys, that was it for my video. I know I'm a bit like jumbly in this video. I really haven't sat down and filmed a video in quite a while. I think I said at the start, I can't even remember, but I have been pre-filming videos a lot, so I'm really sorry if I was all over the place. I just haven't sat in front of the camera for ages. But yeah, I really loved doing this video. I didn't actually intend to do this video. I just like bought everything home and was going to do a haul, and it was like, these are actually all trending pieces, and I thought I could, you know, show you guys a little insight to op shopping and yeah, how you can find at really low prices at the op shop. Yeah, I don't know where I'm going with this outro, but I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I really appreciate you guys watching to the end. If you do like thrifting videos, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments, because I really want to start doing more thrifting videos. It was one of the reasons why I started this channel, was to show a lot of my thrift shop hauls and stuff, and I used to do a lot of them, but I kind of just stopped. So if you guys want more of that, I'm definitely keen to do more of that because I love it so much. But yeah, I'm just going to stop rambling. I'll let you guys get back to your day. I really hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!